goodness. Today we will be making Purple Yam Leche Flan pie. Please watch until the end because we will be having some mystery or just one mystery ingredient to make our dish more delicious. And thank you for all of the subscribers. Thank you to all of my relatives. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and then hit the subscribe button and also comment below. Okay, let's start and hope you enjoy watching this video. Okay, we will now make our Purple Yam Leche Flan pie. First, we will be needing 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, a drop of ube flavoring, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 cans of evaporated milk. Note that we will not be using all of it. Maybe we'll just get 1 cup of it for each, for the purple yam and for the leche flan. And then we will be needing 12 eggs and 2 bags of grated purple yam, which is 454 grams each. And also we will be needing our homemade or pre-made crust or graham crust. This one, okay? Okay, watch till the end because we have one mystery ingredient that I did not include here, so that ingredient will make our dish more delicious or our dessert more tastier, and it will really be good and amazing. Okay, let's start now and cook our purple yam. First, we will melt our butter in medium heat. Now that our butter is melted, we will add in our sugar, Okay, we just want to make sure that the sugar is already melted before we add in our purple yam grated. Okay. And we'll put it on low heat or low fire so the bottom won't get burned. Okay, add the other pack. More tastier. Of course, it's in low heat while we're stirring it because we don't want the bottom to get burned. Add like a cup of evaporated milk. A drop of our ube flavoring or purple yam flavoring just to add more color and flavor to it. And just continue mixing it till everything is well incorporated. For like 25 to 30 minutes and constantly stirring it. Our mystery ingredient is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put it in hot water, mix it well, and then put it on our purple yam mixture. This is to help it, be formed when we baked it. our ingredients are mixed well together, note that we can always add some more ube flavoring to get our desired color. And we can also add some more butter to get our desired taste. For me, the 1/4 butter is just enough. Okay, now we will cut this into half. We will turn off the fire. And we will put half of it in our graham crust. In our oven. We will set the oven in 350 degrees. Of course, we will preheat it for like 5 minutes and bake this in minutes before we add our mixture, which is the leche flan mixture. Now we will be making our leche flan. We will separate the egg yolk. Note that we use this lemon squeezer because it's easier to separate the egg yolk from the white, or we can always do it manually. Now we remove the egg whites and we will transfer here the egg yolk, because this is the bigger container, and we will mix in like 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Heavy cream, and mix it with our 1 can of condensed milk. All the condensed milk, and then we mix it. white. It's okay to mix it with egg whites, just that the consistency, it's not richer. This one would be richer and more dense. It will be more delicious, like eating in a 5-star hotel with their dessert. Okay, now we will pour this mixture into our purple yam pie, but we have to first strain our mixture, so to make sure that it will be pure without any bubbles to it. Now we will steam bake our purple yam leche flan pie. Purple yam leche flan pie for like an hour, and we tested it. We checked it with a toothpick. It's already cooked, so we will be removing it from the oven. There you go. We'll give it like an hour to rest. Okay, here's a taste test.
Wow. Sweet.
How was it?
Good. So good.
Taste test.
Taste test. I'm gonna try this yummy, delicious flan with purple yam. It's creamy and very delicious. It's not too sweet.